Alright, we got power coming in there. We got no power coming out of the thermostat. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we're down here on the New River. It's just before Thanksgiving 2024. I'm in my shorts and my short sleeve shirt. Feels pretty nice. Choo-choo trains running back and forth. Everything's happy except this lady's water heater. It was working on electric after they put a new element in it, and then it wasn't working on electric. So let's see what's going on with our water heater, see if we can fix it today, and I'm gonna take y'all on. Let's let the choo-choo train pass, and I'll be right back. They're so noisy.
Oh yeah, especially at 3 in the morning when they go by.
Okay, choo-choo train is going past. So we do have a suburban water heater. So that means our heating element's down here. We do have this silly on-off switch down here. You know, those things fail constantly. We got a resettable thermostat up here. Let me push on that. Okay, all right, nothing reset. So let me go get a 1/4-inch socket, a nut driver, and my multimeter. Let's figure this thing out. All right, I'm gonna just take this cover off the thermostats first. I hate this model of water heater because there's a screw right dead behind that gas line fitting that is such a pain. Let me get a straight screwdriver. Yeah, I'd like to know who designed that. It wasn't anybody that has to work on this stuff, I guarantee you that. Because you can just barely even touch it with a straight screwdriver down in there. Man. Yep, 3 Phillips screws, and I actually can maybe move that valve down just about a 1/2 inch. Oh, no.
Yeah, it's a pain to get out.
Yeah, that one screw. And there's another screw there. Even though it is a pain to access the thermostats on this particular model of suburban water heater, it's actually the best place to start because these thermostats are notorious to go bad. So we can check that, and we can also test, make sure that switch down there is good. That's notorious to fail. Because power leaves that switch and comes right up to these thermostats first, I believe. Alright, finally got that screw out. I'll pop that cover off. That is held on with self-adhesive, like a double-sided foam tape. Another choo-choo. These covers get really stuck.
We had to take everything out.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to take everything out too, I believe.
It's a pain.
I'll have to take the flue off so I can get the cover off. We're gonna end up with a naked water heater in a minute. Finally. Alright, that train's not making a whole lot of noise. We'll just keep working. Let's get our, that's fine. Get our multimeter out. Now the water heater should be on. I checked the breaker, made sure it was on. And the only switch to cut it on off is out here. So, let's get a ground here. Should be able to just use the gas line on an AC scale. Y'all can see that. And this, I think, one of these is the power coming in from the switch. Alright, we got power coming in there. We got no power coming out of the thermostat. Alright, you got power coming out of this thermostat down here, but then it has a jumper wire. It goes up here. We got power there, but we got no power coming out of the thermostat. So this thermostat's bad. That was pretty easy peasy. Let me go grab a thermostat out of the truck and get this thing switched around. All right, got a new thermostat. I'm gonna go in and cut the breaker off, kill the power to this, and then we'll switcheroo it out. All right, got the breaker cut off. Power's dead here. I did double check with my meter. So let's pull that spade connector off right there, and that one off right there. Get the appropriate size socket. Maybe that one. Maybe the next one. All right, first try. Oh. All right. Y'all help me grunt. Oh. Okay. Don't want to drop the nut, because it will go to Never Never Land and we will never see it again. There's our old ones. There's the new one. There are some wires run up beside that thing and all that, so just make sure you don't get anything pinched. Just like that. Don't want to do that. Alright, maybe easier just go ahead and hook that wire up. Help it stay out of the way. Yeah, there we go. Because it is actually super easy to pinch wires here, put these thermostats in. Not gonna go full grill on it. Make sure none of our wires are pinched. All right. Customer actually cut the breaker off. I'm just gonna have her go back in and cut them on, and we'll check and see if this is working. Put her little push thingy on so you can reset it. It's a little plastic doodad. So, those things will trip out, and you can press here in these little rubber grommets and reset those sometimes. That's why I checked that first, but they didn't reset. So, all right, I heard stuff come on. Let's see if we have accomplished anything. Okay, we knew we had power coming in at the bottom. Still do. Let's see if we have power coming out the top. And we do. So I can hear the heating element sizzling. So know for a fact it's working. So that's all there was to this. If this was a different model, Suburban, that. And then this is a SW6DE, but I don't know why they make some of that stuff so hard to get to, but they do. You know, engineers, what are you gonna do with them? So don't y'all be an engineer, don't you make things hard. Get down in that comment section, leave me a comment, criticism, a concern. Before you go, check this out real quick. Hey, don't forget, guys and gals, we have special shirts that are only available for Christmas 2024. We have the Sometimes You Need a Bigger Hammer with RVs in the background. And we also have, that shirt's in 3 colors. We also have this shirt. I love RVs because they're always broke. It's more for you techs out there. It has the Hillbilly logo on the front in 3 colors as well. Both these shirts are only available until Christmas 2024. So if you want one, you better get it now. Of course, we got the leather patch hats. We got keychains, can koozies, stuff like that. So go check that stuff out. Link down below. Now let's get back to the video. Everybody have a happy Thanksgiving. And because this is just a few days before Thanksgiving. Well, you'll probably see this after Thanksgiving. What am I saying? Y'all have a great day. Catch you on the next one.